I'm gonna do a cold start. It's been sitting overnight, about 45 degrees out. I've noticed that it seems to want to smoke when I first start it up a little bit, and after it's warmed up, it's not as noticeable. But if you rev it hard, sometimes you can catch a puff coming out of the exhaust. See if I can demonstrate it here on video. Started first pull. It's not so noticeable when it's sitting idling, but if I give it a few revs when the motor's cold, you notice it a little bit more. Right now it's running at about half choke. It seems to be a little cold-natured. You got to run it for a while with the choke on to get it warmed up, but then after that it seems to run pretty decent. I haven't really ridden it that much. It just sits in my collection. Go ahead and turn the choke off and see if it's warmed up enough to run without it yet. There, its choke's fully off right now. Give it some throttle.